Let's review our previously technical requirement about the test cases. So we have a bunch of test cases. In this example, I will only show you how to sign in. Let's get started. So let me create another very simple Gmail test. Here, let's create another test. Public void Gmail test. Now let's use the Chrome. Let's open Gmail site. Usually we should clean all the data so that it will not show here. So if we click sign in with different account and remove the existing account, we will see this is the default login page for any new Gmail sessions. So let's see what's the web element of this email input box. Remember, we need to use the simulator to simulate a mobile browser so that the web element can be exactly what we look into the when we do the mobile test. Okay, select iPhone 6 and then refresh. Okay, so now let's make it bigger here. Okay, so click this button to select element. Okay, so you can see the ID is email. Let's see if this is the unique web element before we use it. So we use CSS selector and email. Okay, seems unique. That's good. So let's go open the IntelliJ. So we want this driver first get http gmail.com. Then we want the driver. Because this is a sample code, I want to remind you I did not use any like page object pattern or any ways to optimize the project structure. I just walk through the test. So driver find element by ID. So by ID, so the ID is email. Okay, and then let's say this web element is email input box. Why? Web element. Oh, I have spelled incorrectly. Okay, now it's okay. And then if since we found the email input box, we can use the Selenium method to send keys. The keys we want to send is udemy@gmail.com. Then we want to click the next button. So let's see the next button. How to find is the next. So let's see if next can be can find a unique web element. Yes, it is. So that's simple. Let's do the same way. Next button. Driver find element by ID. Next. So next button, click. We want to click to go to the next steps. So after that, we want to input the password. So let's see if password, the ID equals password. If it is, it will find a unique web element. Password Yes, okay, that's good. Copy this one. And the web element password input box equals driver. Find element by ID. Here you can use CS selector. So just add the pound key and then password. Send keys. We can send Udemy Ken 12789. Now, after this, we should click sign in. Okay, ID equals sign in. Let's see if it's unique. Yeah, it is. So web element sign in button equals driver find web element by CSS selector or ID, actually anything you want. Then sign in button, click. Okay, let's see if these steps will work to verify. Okay, let's run this. Gmail test. Oh, there's an error. Yeah, here. Okay, now run it again. Okay, let's bring up the Appium. It automatically opened the simulator of iPhone 6. Loading. Open the web browser. Go to gmail.com, input email, and then it failed. That's because there is a need to synchronize. Otherwise, it will throw up web element cannot be found. Let's see if this is the issue. It automatically restarts the test, but we want to stop it because we know our script has some issue.